Studies have shown that you have 8 seconds to influence a customer on your website. It's the digital front door to your business, so it's important to make a good impression. Customers expect your site to load fast with important info and for it to look good on their phone. In fact, customers are 5 times more likely to shop with your competitors if your site isn't mobile-friendly. Yikes! Having a fast and mobile-friendly website is the first step. Next, look for ways to improve your customers' experience. Use your website to provide live support, contact forms, and let your customers book appointments, all from the comfort of their home. Aim for a site that makes the right impression. Then watch as new customers roll in. Start improving your website today.